How to fix the 404 error in Wix. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the 404 error in Wix. If you will find that your Wix website isn't opening up properly on different browsers, browser compatibility issues are among the most common errors that store owners face. Depending on the browser you're using, make the following changes to resolve the issue. First, open the Settings tab of your browser in the top right corner. Go to Advanced, then Privacy and Security, Site Settings, and Cookies. Now turn on the toggle Allow sites to save and read cookie data. Now refresh the page, then reload it. These errors unfold when creating and designing your site, maintaining your site's pages, and using the Wix editor. To rapidly fix this problem, reload the page using incognito mode. Clear your browser's cache and cookies first. Disable your web extensions and plugins. After that, refresh the window and try again. Wix error code 10104 is a common recurring problem. Although the platform doesn't provide much information about this error code, it's primarily caused by misconfigured system files. This usually means that there are registry problems with your computer. Before contacting customer service, open your Wix editor in incognito mode. Make the same changes you implemented before you received the error code. Then click on Save or Publish. If the problem persists, you will need to contact the customer service team with your Wix username, password, and website name. Details of the changes you made before saving or publishing the changes and receiving the error message.